Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the default search engine from Bing to Google in Edge browser for iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Edge browser. So let me open mine. So here is my Edge browser. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see here I have this search box. So let me do a search for a term. So let me do a search for this term, that is Facebook. And you can see guys I have this search results, and you can see I have this Bing as the default search engine. So if you want to change your default search engine to Google, then I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So what you need to do, you have to come to this bottom menu, and then you have to tap on this three dots, this button. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this settings, and I have this settings, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to tap on this advanced settings, and I have this advanced settings, this screen opened, and you can see guys here I have this search engine and it is set to Bing. So let's change this to Google. So for that you have to tap on this search engine. Let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this others, and I have this screen opened, and you can see here we have two options, Google and DuckDuckGo. So you have to tap on this Google. So let me tap on this, and if I come to this search engine, you can see I have this set to Google. After that, just tap on this done link at the top right. So let me tap on this, and I have this screen opened. So let me do a search for this term again, that is Facebook. And you can see guys I have search results, and I have this Google as the default search engine, you can see. So that's it. In this way you can easily change the default search engine from Bing to Google in Edge browser for iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.